Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to create Google Docs, Google Sheets. Just management Google. Now I'm search Google Sheet and more tab search Google Docs. Okay. So this is Google Docs and previous Google Sheets. So how can change email or just collaborate this spreadsheet? So let's start. So now opening Google Spreadsheet and search Google Docs. Okay, this is Docs. Okay, I'm waiting for response. So guys, now you can see Google Docs. This is the Google spreadsheet, Google Sheets. So now you can share with your partner. Okay, and Google Docs, Google Workspace. Here use Meet and Google Docs together. Okay, this is intelligent apps for Google Slide Plus. So how can install? Just click and install it. Okay, continue and just log in for your Gmail account. Just click yes. Okay, so guys, now connect. Yes, click continue. Just connect with this application. Now Google manage your Google Sheet, see, edit, edit and delete your Google slide presentations, view and manage documents that your application has been installed. It connect with external service and display and run third-party web content and prompt slide bar in slide Google applications. So just click allow and done. So guys, click next and click done. So I hope you enjoy this video. So please subscribe our channel and keep watching this channel. So set bell notification all